So we're got the brushless version in here. I did a test run yesterday or the day before with this, and a 390 brushed version come out of BC30 with all right, I'm gonna get out our new toy. We'll see this thing set up. I just threw in a brushed 390 on her. We'll see how it's using it's using the one from the WL and the Eachine. Okay. Haven't done anything to it. It's just oh, that servo sucks. No, it's all right. That's a test run. That's all I wanted to do. Are you okay? Like I was saying, this has got motor from the XLF 650, so it's a 28 series. It's got a little battery, and it's got a waterproof 35 amp 3S 4S. Oops, steering is backwards. First thing I do is get a stick stuck. Obviously, I haven't painted my body yet. This is my clown car. Well, that toe was way out. Gonna have to monkey with that stuff. But what? Yeah. Why did I trick you? There's my Bailey girl. Don't want to ruin the body before I finish painting it. See, here's that slipper clutch. I got to tighten it a little. A lot of fine tuning to do. This is just a quick test run. She runs though. That's the first good sign. Nothing's falling off yet. I say that. It's probably a stick stuck. Oh, looks like I gotta adjust the steering a little. Dog bone doesn't quite fit right. It sticks out, so something's not right. But she ran real good. Yeah, you see there. Turned out pretty good. I gotta do a second floor at some point, but the battery kind of mounts nice on that. Kind of see what we got going on. She rips. She's gonna be fast when she's done. I was barely getting any throttle on her at all. Gotta mess with this. The steering is all goofy. I'll get to it. I just wanted to make sure it worked. Hopefully you like. I'll see you when I see you.